Alright, this repair was a freeze, and then thermal test, refreeze, thermal test, range test, everything passed. I replaced the rectifiers. A lot of the times they leak and causes power supply issues. I replaced the rectifiers, all 4 of them, and I reflowed or resoldered a lot of the things on this board that typically have bad solder, cold solder joints happen, so that's not going to be an issue. Let's plug this board in. Let's see if we can do it. Oh yeah, first of all, serial number 680 677, and that's the same serial number that'll be on your warranty sheet, the 2-year warranty. Okay, let's plug the sensor wires in. Alright, we're going to clear codes by holding the learn button for 8 seconds until the LED goes out. Alright, we'll push it once and let go, and we'll push a remote button. Remote button has been linked to the logic board. We're testing for direction right now. I'm not sure if it's up or down. We'll find out in a second. We're going to pull a sensor wire and see if we can get it to protect. Alright, now it's going up. So with the sensor wire removed, going down, it should protect. And it's protecting like it should, or as if there was something in front of the beam. Now it should go down. We're going to test the output voltage on the logic board. Okay, so we should have 23 volts or so. 22, 23. And we got 22.8, 22.9, so that's about 23. And over here we should have like 5.6 to 6 volts, 5.9. So the voltages are correct. The board is working as it should. It has good remote range. And I will be upgrading the return shipping from ground to priority. I will ship out when I have lunch today. Thank you.